Yo guys, what's up? What's going on? Wondering if your PC supports virtualization? Virtualization allows you to run multiple operating systems simultaneously on a single computer. Let's find out if your PC supports this feature or not. So, first click on the Windows icon, then search here for System Information. Now you need to find here two options. The major mostly, you will see here the virtualization enabled in firmware, which will pop over here, and if it says yes, your PC support virtualization. If it says no or is not listed, your PC may not support virtualization. How you can find that further about this? You need to find according to your CPU. Let me show you Open Any File Explorer. Then right-click on your This PC properties and processor, Ryzen 5 3600. Just copy this one. You need to search for this. And your answer is over here. Hardware virtualization is available on Ryzen 5 3600 with greatly improves virtual machine performance. So that's the way you can just search according to your PC specification. Does it support VT or not supporting? And if VT is enabled from BIOS, but still it's showing in the, over here, currently it's enabled in my case. But in your case might be, it is showing disabled over here. So guys, in my case, my VT virtualization technology is running properly, but you are still facing some issues with your virtualization. Maybe it's enabled from BIOS, but still showing in the task manager that it is disabled. I will provide a video link in the description. Just go ahead, watch it out. Hopefully your problem should be fixed 100%.